In this segment, I'm going to show you how I made the bear tracks for the rifle. How I'm going to make the bear claw for that rifle. So all I'm using is just copper furniture tacks, and then I'm going to file and grind those heads down. So let's take a look here, and I'll show you how I did it. Well, here's a close-up of how I'm going to hold it down. Originally I was nailing them in here and then trying to grind them down, but it just didn't work. There's a sample. And here's all I'm using is these copper tacks. And some of them are really short. Compared to the others, so I'm trying to pick out the longer ones. Okay, all I'm going to use is a Dremel tool and just try to round one side out and then bring the other side around to a point. Hey everyone, thank you for watching my video. Just a quick commercial break here. If you like my videos and you like my content, please subscribe, comment, ask questions, but don't forget to hit that notification bell so that way you'll get notified when new content comes out. Thanks. And then I'm just going to use this file, just kind of sharpen it up and dress it up. Well, there you go. Nice little bear claw. Doesn't take but a couple minutes to make them. So I spend more time trying to get them into my muzzleloader than anything. So let me make these, and then we'll put some tracks in later on. Any questions or comments?